Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips.
Pineapple and carrot juice for weight loss. How to use weight loss drink to shed belly fat. Juicing for weight loss is not a new concept. It's been doing the rounds since a few years. But what we're telling you here is not to go on a liquid diet but to add certain fresh juices to your daily meals that can help speed up weight loss. Drinking fresh juices is also a great way to load up on a variety of minerals, vitamins, fiber and antioxidants, all of which aid in revving up your metabolism and thus, you are able to burn more calories. These weight loss juices not only help you lose weight but they also offer a host of other health benefits. In order to lose weight, it is imperative to load up on a healthy diet. A juice diet would help you achieve your weight loss goals. Here is the recipe for this drink. First is 1 carrot. The second is half a pineapple. Third is 1 ginger. The fourth is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here are 4 ingredients to prepare for this recipe. Proceed as follows. Pineapple. You peel off the peel and clean your eyes. You cut pineapple into small pieces. Pineapple could help in weight loss. 1. Good for metabolism. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme is found in the juice of pineapple and helps in metabolizing protein, which in turn helps burn away the excess belly fat. You would be surprised to know that the star enzyme bromelain also works with other enzymes such as lipase to digest fats, which help suppress your appetite. 2. Good source of fiber. In addition to being a great source of vitamin C and manganese, the flesh of pineapple is also a decent source of fiber. Fiber tends to fill you up and eventually ends up inducing a sense of satiety. This would ultimately lead to less binging. 3. Digestion. According to the book Healing Foods, bromelain extract is an effective digestive aid, while using the juice as marinade for meat dishes help tenderize them, making them more digestible. A good digestion means a speedy weight loss. Consultant nutritionist Dr. Rupali Datta explains, bad digestion can lead to weight gain, as we are not able to absorb and assimilate our nutrients properly. Moreover, it may not be able to eliminate waste from our body efficiently either. This may lead to slowing down of the metabolic rate, which makes it more difficult to burn calories properly. After the pineapple has cut into small pieces, you peel off the carrot's peel and you cut the carrot into small pieces. Carrot juice is great for weight loss as carrots are low in calories and full of fiber. A tall glass of carrot juice will keep you full until lunch, so you don't have to worry about unwanted snack attacks. It had also been recommended that the best way to have carrots is in its raw form. Therefore, juicing it up could be a great idea. Carrot juice is also known to increase bile secretion, which helps in burning fat, thus aiding weight loss. Juicing carrots gives us its concentrated form with all its essential nutrients. Having a glass a day is said to work wonders in boosting immunity. Carrot juice also contains various vitamins and minerals such as B6, K, potassium, phosphorus, etc., which contribute to bone health, stronger nervous system and improved brain power. The presence of antioxidants and essential minerals such as potassium contribute to preventing cell degradation, thereby keeping your skin healthy and young. These nutrients also protect your skin against dryness, improving skin tone and reducing scars and blemishes. This is the reason why you often find carrots being used in natural home remedies for beauty. Carrot juice works as a miracle in maintaining cholesterol and blood sugar levels, thanks to its potassium content. You wash ginger and also clean the outside. You cut ginger into small pieces. Ginger is an incredible spice to add into your diet. Part of the turmeric plant family, ginger has several health-boosting benefits that make it beneficial to the body. Ginger contains anti-clotting abilities, which are crucial in combating strokes, heart attacks and heart disease. When combined with other anti-clotting foods such as garlic, ginger has the potential to ward off and prevent serious illness. Ginger tea is commonly consumed by pregnant women to help diminish the effects of morning sickness. In studies, ginger has been shown to combat the symptoms of motion sickness such as dizziness, nausea and vomiting. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols. These gingerols inhibit the chemical messages that are sent to the immune system that trigger inflammation. It is these gingerols that make ginger so fantastic at aiding in the reduction of arthritis, inflammation and pain. You grind ginger to get water. Put carrots and pineapples into the blender and puree. You pour this mixture into the filter wire and filter the water. After you get the bowl of juice, you pour it into the cup. You add 2 tablespoons of ginger juice to the cup, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar. Finally, use the spoon to stir the ingredients together. Reducing the number of calories in your diet, along with the quantity of fat, will reduce your body's current fat reserves. Exercising for 30 minutes a day, at least 5 days a week, will also boost your metabolism and build muscle mass. Thank you for watching the video, wish you success. If you find your video useful, like it and share it with friends. Don't forget to press the subscribe channel and notification to update the weight loss recipe every day.